Show me your joy emotion, your happy emotion. Yeah, very good.
Yes, 30.
Tambalan. Kung ito ay binubuo ng nawang salitang pinagtambal.
Maraming salamat. Yes, si Sofia. 30.
Balik-aral.
Balik-aral. Tama nga naman. Yes.
What section of the product label shows other ingredients included in the product formulation? Okay, iba pa po ang active ingredients ha. Ang active ingredients ay yung main ingredients. But this one, these are the other ingredients. Okay, ano po kaya ito, 30? Sige, Sofia, CR ka muna.
Inactive ingredients.
Inactive ingredients is correct. Very good. Okay. How about this one? What is this? Oh. To be honest with you, I forgot what this sign means. Ano kaya ito? 30. Do you know?
Pressure. Gas under pressure.
Okay. Gas under pressure is correct. Very good. So,
The third digit, 30.
Hundreds.
Hundreds. Very good. Next, what is the place value of 3? 30.
10,000.
It is 10,000. Ooh, walang lumabas. So what is the place value of 4?
Millions.
Millions. Very good. Sino pang hindi ko natatawag? 30.
See, what is the place value of 0 first digits from the right to the left? Once.
Yes, it is once. Very good.
12 millions. 100,000. 31 thousands. 29.
Okay, very good. Thank you, 30. Next.
Quap. Quap. Open. Quap, quap. 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 Open. Quap, quap. 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 Quap, quap.
Okay. Let me see your... Can you tell me what is the notes and rest?
Quarter note.
Quarter note.
Quarter note. Quarter west. 16 note. Quarter note. Quarter note. Quarter west. 16 note. Quarter note. Quarter note. Quarter note. 16 note.
Okay. Let me see your work.
English. You're the
Your
teacher.
notebook.
Easy. Good.
Oh, okay. Thank you, 30.
Topic sentence. How about the topic sentence? Can we have 30? Yes, 30.
Going to the mail is one of my favorite things.
All right. So 30. What color should we use in
What color?
underlining the topic
Green.
sentence? Yes, we will use the green. Thank you so much, 30. How about the second part of a paragraph? Yes, 30.
Topic sentence.
Yes, okay. Thank you so much, 30. According to 30, the second part of a paragraph is what we call topic sentence.
Yes,
My mom po always making pusita.
Wow! So, si 30, meron siyang tusino at may date pang nakalagay. Meron talaga si 30 maipakitang ano sa atin, example. So, you already have there, 30, an example of a food in which your mom used a curing method. Good job! Yan. Meron na si 30 na ipakitang food na kung saan used salting method and curing method.